it like it's a dead fish. Oh my gosh, I can't even handle the cuteness. Is it not a little nauseating? This is the rickety bed we made for our baby. Luna's on the case though. Excuse me. Too much? Too much. Head to toe, too much. Okay, so it is Saturday morning. We're vlogging. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome back. I am just finishing up, getting ready. Definitely too much. Definitely like it. I'm wearing the dress that I showed you guys in the last vlog. I am in love with it. I haven't gotten a chance to wear it. So here we are. I'm wearing it. And we're definitely not doing anything today that is like special dress worthy, but like humor me. I'm going with it. Oh, look what I got. Milani Luminoso. Can you see it? Can you see it? I have loved Milani Luminoso probably as long as I've loved makeup. And the blush that I was wearing before this one for quite a while was Charlotte Tilbury. I ordered this on a whim. I like it so much more. Yeah, can't go wrong. Let's catch up a little bit. Last weekend, I didn't vlog. It was Lucy's birthday party weekend. She had a Minnie Mouse party. It was so cute. It was so fun. I think she had a good time. She got some cute presents. She's working on a full army of Minnie Mouses. We've got quite a few suddenly. My sister Mary ended up coming the night before and helping me decorate, which was very helpful. It is also still up in my house. So still celebrating, still magical. In the last vlog, I told you guys I was really nervous about that week coming up, which is the week before the party. I had every right. It was mayhem, but we survived all the appointments and all the extra stuff that we had to do, and then we ended it with a party. Can you believe I have a 3-year-old? I know a lot of you guys have been with me for a very long time. I appreciate you so much. Shout out to you. I love you. I love you. But would you have ever thought she's gonna have a 3-year-old? I wouldn't have. I mean, of course, it's what I've always wanted, but it's like, wow, you know? I'm just so proud of her and so excited for her, excited for the next year, like between 3 and 4. Like, I feel like it's gonna be a big year. She's gonna be doing some new things, and I just feel like she's gonna surprise us, and it just feels like a special age, you know? 1 feels really special, 3, 5, 6, 13. For whatever reason, these ages feel special. I can't believe she's 3. Can you believe it? No, you can't. No, you cannot. Anyway, because I have a little time right now, we are going to get a haircut. Not me. Lucy is getting a haircut. So excited, so nervous. That's what we're doing in a little bit. I'm as ready as I can get, but I'm gonna do a little self-care. And I wanted to bring up a comment that I think it was on the last vlog, maybe the vlog before. I responded to it, and it was something like, how do you always look so put together? Something like that, while having a toddler and a baby. I responded and I was just like, I usually don't look super put together. You know, it's the weekend. I had some extra time to get ready. Plus I was vlogging, so that's a little extra incentive to like get it together, you know, obviously. But I do have to say, a very key element in the whole recipe is Grant. I am so grateful. And you know, it's not like that can happen all the time, but it's the weekend and he's a great dad. And so I'm really grateful for him, and he definitely deserves credit there. I don't know, the whole like self-care thing, like I just feel like it got so overused that it became meaningless. Like, to me, every time I saw people talking about self-care, I just thought like bubble baths. And also, like, if you're a mom in my shoes, like people always like, make sure you're taking care of yourself, or like any mom. Is it not a little nauseating? It is to me. But lately I've definitely been like taking it a little bit more seriously and like making it more personal, and not just like dismissing it as like, I don't have time to take a bubble bath. So I really like kind of got focused on it and thought about like things that actually do it for me and make me happy and make me like come back better, you know? I have like a list actually. You guys know that on that list is like browsing around for Christmas stuff, and I did do a little browsing in the last week. That was my self-care moment. I don't know. I don't want to be one of those people that's just like saying the same old thing that everyone's saying, but like make it personal. You know, it really does make a difference, and how you feel matters. How you feel matters, especially if you're a busy mom. It's hard to say it when I've rolled my eyes about it so many times, but I just wanted to put it out there. No pressure. I've got some extra time and I'm gonna do some radical self-care. If you're a mom, you understand. I'm about to do my nails and both of my babies are awake. Crazy. crazy. I would never be able to do this if Grant wasn't home, but you know, crazy. I'm gonna make it happen for these sad little nails. Okay, so let me show you these polishes that I have from the brand Manicurist. They're sponsoring this portion of the vlog. Doing my nails is a self-care. I have sad little nails, but I love doing my nails and I love having my nails done. So this is their active range. There are 5 different polishes and each one of them is an all-in-one treatment. The ingredients are 85.5% plant-based and they give like a subtle, pretty effect that kind of gives your nails like a healthy look, but the ingredients also boost the health of your nail at the same time. Okay, so I'm gonna show you all of them, but I'm gonna start with my absolute favorite that I've been wearing non-stop for literally 2 months. Since I got these polishes, I cannot stop using this. This is the Active Shine. They call it like a natural pearlescence, but to me, it's like the most fine glitter. It's like a highlight, but for your nails. I use 3 coats because I love it. It's like grown-up glitter. That's what we'll call it, grown-up glitter. I've been wearing this non-stop. And my second favorite, this is the Active Bright. It's kind of like a cool tone. I love how it looks with the Active Shine. Next, we have the Active Smooth. For me, this one is like a concealer for your nails. It like blurs out imperfections. And the last 2 are really fun. This is the Active Glow Raspberry and this is the Active Glow Blueberry, and they're just like a sheer jelly polish. They just give like a wash of a pink tone. And they also both include almond oil, which just boosts your nails' radiance. I've also been using their nail and cuticle oil. Like, look at this. I am half out already. I also have their balm. It's a rose balm and you can use it on your hands, nails, and lips. I'm actually going to do my favorite combination, the Active Shine and the Active Bright. I do think for the Active Bright, you need to do 2 coats to really get more of the effect. Okay, so that's just 1 coat of the Active Bright. And now for the Active Shine. So pretty. And you also can't mess it up. I don't know, to me, these nails are like Cinderella's glass slipper, but in a polish. They're so pretty. If you guys want to check out Manicurist, there'll be a link in the description and you can use my code NailsLeighAnn to get 15% off site-wide. I definitely don't have hand modeling in my future, but here we are, especially with this fake tan. Anyway, I am reconsidering and we're about to leave. Did you know you have perfect hair? Okay, so we've never been to this place before, but I saw good reviews and I saw it recommended on like a mom group for moms with kids with disabilities. And so I've got high hopes, but I'm still kind of nervous. Like, this isn't her first haircut. I don't know why I'm nervous, but here we are. I think it's gonna go great. I hope it's great. Happy high five. You did an awesome haircut. Whoops. Proud of you, girl. Look at how short it is. Lucy, I love it. You're so trendy. And look at this cute barrette they did. It took like 30 seconds. It was so quick and easy. I knew you were gonna do awesome. Okay, I just realized I didn't actually show my dress in case you didn't see the vlog where I got it. I will link it down below in case you missed it. We have pockets. We have a bib in the pocket, of course. We need pockets in our lives. And then the back, so cute. Totally in love. What do we have here?
Dad fixing his mistakes.
All right, we love to see it.
A little reverso on these.
Are you helping, Luna? She starts wagging her tail. I'm absolutely helping. Look who is getting a big girl bed. We have a little like DIY construction project coming with this bed. We're gonna raise it up. Just also got this mattress and some sheets I need to wash. So we've got a little project happening. Luna's on the case though. I'll be down. New high chair, new haircut, new bed. Who is she? Who is she? Lucy can do it. Diffy bit. Yummy pears, yummy pears, yummy pears. It's almost done. Yep. Look at the little door. Precious. Did you ever imagine your life being so precious, Grant? Yeah. Yeah? Oh, I see you. You trying to get me? Excuse me. Okay, I'm taking a poll in the comments. How long do you guys leave up your party decorations? I'm going on a week. Actually, I'm over a week now, but it's just so cute and I haven't had time or the will to do it. I'll take it down eventually, but not right now. I'm coming back alive. It's been nap time for quite a while now. I was working on a reel for the STXBP1 foundation page and like, for some reason I was having a lot of technical issues. It was not going right, but I got it done. But because I sat on the couch for so long working on it, I got so tired. Anyway, I wanted to ask your opinion about something where I want to show you two things. Okay, so first I got an Apple Watch. I am not an Apple Watch person. I've never had one before. Honestly, I've never wanted one. I still kind of don't want one, but I got it for working out and there are obviously benefits to use it while you're working out. And like, honestly, like I'm like anti Apple Watch because like, this is probably going too far, but like we all reach for our phones too much, like phone addiction that's like very real. Like why strap it to your body, you know? Anyway, it's probably not that deep, but I got one. It's been beneficial for working out and sometimes I do wear it like throughout the day. So I want it to be cute. I'm holding it like it's a dead fish. I got this watch strap and it's so cute. It's like a bracelet. I like that. But I got another one that has a lot more going on, but it's very similar and I want to hear what you guys think. It's basically the exact same thing, but it's a charm bracelet. Let's try this. How do I work this? How did I get here? How do I work this? I'm gonna wake the babies up if I wear this, but I like it. Okay, let me try to show you. There's a bow and a gem and a lion, a pearl. It's cute. It's cute, isn't it? It's too much. I love it. Tell me your opinions and we have something else to look at. So I got a little Halloween haul for the babies from Hannah Anderson. They were having a sale and I went for it. It happened really fast. All Halloween stuff for kids is so cute. Oh, look at these pajamas. I love them. These pajamas for Lucy coordinate. The pants, so cute. Why do they look huge yet again? Did I make mistakes? I'll link everything down below if I can find it. Hopefully they're still on sale. Okay, this t-shirt for Lucy. I love a Snoopy holiday. My dream is to have like a full Peanuts Christmas display for the front yard. That would really just be like the peak of my life. It's going to happen at some point, just like I'm not there yet, but it's gonna happen. Also, I would like to do Halloween as well. For Lucy's birthday, my mom found her like a black cat dress. And so when I saw this in Robin's size, I had to get it. The straps are the ears. It's so precious. It's so cute. Oh, okay, y'all, I went kind of crazy. This little hat goes with the pumpkin pajamas. Really, she could wear this with anything though. This is the last thing, and this is what got me on the site. The picture of the little baby modeling these pajamas. That's all I needed to see. Little Dalmatian pajamas, it's like a baby Halloween costume. This is totally a spoiler for Halloween, but I'm in love. And I have to show you the hat. Look at the hat. I want to put this on her right now. Is this gonna work? Hello. Do you see me? Hi. Let's try something so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, Daddy, you gotta see this little puppy.
Yeah.
Are you a little puppy? Give me this. Oh my goodness gracious, you're so cool. Come here. It's so cute. I can't take it. Do you want to be a Dalmatian every day? I think she's trying to communicate with me that she wants a Halloween costume for every day of October. Oh my gosh, I can't even handle the cuteness. Okay, everyone's up from their nap. Everyone's had a bottle and we've run into an issue with the bed. There is a gap. We got this mattress from IKEA. The gap is basically all the way around. Also, just feeling the quality, it's iffy at best. And so I think we're gonna have to figure out a different option. Is it rickety?
It's not rickety.
We don't want rickety. This is the rickety bed we made for our baby. What do we have to do?
You gotta take some measurements.
Hey, How are you? We're on a mission, y'all. We definitely need to return the first mattress. So can we deal with this?
I don't know if we all go in, we're gonna get sucked in there.
We are gonna get sucked in.
And we're like,
personally,
well, okay,
I love
okay.
to get sucked in at IKEA.
So we can.
IKEA. Here we go, whirling.
Just like a butterfly.
I'm like shaking right now.
From that big coffee, I had to put 5 extra shots in. Supplies. Jingle jangles.
Little cat collar.
Does like James Avery have like a real one that you could get some fun
From James Avery?
charms?
Oh, he said James Avery, y'all.
Yeah.
I don't know. It would be smart if they did do that.
Styling and profile, I bet they do.
Oh, I hear a baby robin back there.
Science and skill.
I don't want this to be my bed, personally. I don't think any of these mattresses are an option for us. They're so squishy. Okay, I love these sheets. And we actually have this bed in storage. Our neighbor, when she was moving, gave us their toddler bed. I wish it could work. I don't know how to make it work. Last night went a little off the rails after we went to IKEA. It was a very busy evening. We were